think we found the boats. Very good. Turn around.
Good.
Good.
Good, okay, good.
There are 3 million different species of piranha in this river. He's got his hedge trimmer. Do you know what I mean? Strimmer for garden. How long? 45 minutes? Hey. Hey, this is so cool.
I don't like the waves that it creates when we turn. It makes me so nervous.
My guys are professional.
It's just got quite windy all of a sudden, and now I'm getting really wet.
So because the water is so shallow and I'm so heavy, he's asked me to sit top down to kind of weigh it out a little bit so we don't drag on the bottom. I'm hoping that we see, it looked like a little alligator.
It looked like hot water on it.
No, it didn't. We found one! We found one! We've arrived. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That was so fun.
You know what? 10 out of 10 for that boat ride.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
100%.